How to make offer on eBay items. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So making an offer on eBay allows you to negotiate a lower price with a seller or eligible listing. By making an offer, you can commit to a pricing, purchasing the item if the seller accepts your proposed price as well. What you need is, first of all, you want to open the eBay app. Look for the listing that displays a make offer button next to the buy it now price. Not all the items have these options, so you just have to make sure to browse it and then look for make offer as well. So basically you have to go ahead and browse it, and when you select when you locate make offer, you could simply tap open that up. Over here you could just go ahead and look for these. As you can see, this particular item does not have the options, so you just want to make sure to go ahead and browse it until you find make offer, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and enter your desired amount and include a brief friendly message to a seller if desired. And this often helps in negotiation as well. And you may be added to review your payment and shipping information. Enable auto pay so that the transaction complete instantly if accepted. Then you could select send offer or continue to button as well. And this way you're supposed to make offer on eBay. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.